Okay guys, I'm here with the Epson P600 direct-to-garment printer. I'm here to show you our daily cleaning maintenance. We will be using a syringe filled with 30 milliliters of cleaner, a cotton square, and a foam tip swab. So the first thing we want to do is go to maintenance and proceed with a head cleaning. As this happens, the head will discharge the old ink in the head. As it's doing that, when it moves off of the ink pad, we will shoot the cleaning solution into it. Alright, now that it's moved, we will shoot our cleaning solution down inside. Alright, just a little, about 10 milliliters at a time. You definitely want to keep those ink pads as clean as possible. Alright, now you want to shoot it again. With another 10 to 15 milliliters of cleaner. Now with the remaining, just shoot the remaining into it. And you should be all set now with the ink pad cleaning. Now, like I said, this is just a daily maintenance you'd want to do at the end of the day. Now the printer head will discharge the old ink out of the head. Alright, as it comes back this time, we want to disconnect the power before it seats. Alright, we disconnected the power. The head stopped. We will move that out of the way for now. What we're going to want to do now is get a cotton swab, get some cleaning solution on it, and we want to clean around. If you could see it right in here, the rubber gasket has a lot of white ink and stuff on it. I want to clean that all off really good. All that whole rubber seal, you want to get all the dried ink, any residue on it, off. This is very critical that you do this. If not, you won't get a good seal on the printing head, which will cause clogging. Alright, now that's all set. what we want to do now is lift up the wiper blade. Lift that up. There's a wiper blade here. As you can see, it has a lot of ink buildup on it. Clean that off really good. Both sides, the top. You want to clean this off because this wipes the printer head of any excess ink. If it has buildup on it, it won't clean the head properly. Oh, put that back up there. Let's get some more cleaning solution. Swab that off a little. Okay. Continue cleaning that to get everything off good. Both sides, the top. As you see, it's nice and shiny now. We'll put it back down to its normal position. Now what we're going to want to do is take care of the printing head ramp. Put some cleaner on a cotton square. There's a ramp right here you want to clean off really good, because that's what that squeegee hits first before it hits the printing head squeegee. And if this has a lot of buildup, like I said, it won't squeegee across the printing head properly to keep that nice and clean. So you just want to clean that off. Clean the front edge, the printing head, back edge. You don't want to go across the printing head, not unless it's really necessary to get something off. And the cleaning process is done. What we'll do is plug it back in, the power back in, power it up, and we'll let it just go through its process. Now the printer has notified us that we did not use genuine Epson ink, which we know that. So we'll press proceed, proceed, continue using this ink, yes. Alright, that's it. You're all set. Now all you want to do is just power it off. As you see, the platen, it comes all the way out as you're powering it off. So at the end of the day, all you want to do is sit it all the way back into its seating position, and you're all done. There you go. That's the daily maintenance on the Epson P600 direct-to-garment printer.